Right everyone, so the channel is called Drive with Andy. My name's Andy and we haven't actually gone out for a drive yet. So what I thought was, got the car, had a little bit of a wash, I've done a few bits to it now, let's get out and enjoy. Got the new seats, the new steering wheel, and with this being the 10th episode, I thought that's quite a nice little milestone, and I think I'm hitting about 150 subs now as well, which is awesome. Keep sharing, keep liking, keep commenting, really appreciate it. So I'm going to get in the car, go for a drive, and hope you enjoy this little video. Thanks for watching.